I didn't think that I'll go back to my diary again. Hi, I am Vanshika if you don't know me, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have to talk about a hobby that I have stopped doing a very long time ago, and it wasn't even more like a hobby. It was like a part of me. It was not a hobby. I won't say it was a hobby because it wasn't, and I am doing it again. I am so happy that I'm doing it again. Like seriously, can you imagine? There was a time when I used to write almost daily in my diary about what happened, about my thoughts, about how I felt, about everything, every little thing. There was that time that I used to just convey all of my feelings to my diary, and then I just suddenly stopped. Like I stopped, and I didn't even realize that a bigger part of me went missing for almost an year. And I just randomly remember a few days ago that I used to do this, that it gave me peace and it healed me in ways when I didn't have anyone with me. It was an emotion. It's still an emotion when I think about it now. And that's how I got back to my diary. This is my current diary. I have already filled one, which which is like kept somewhere. But currently, I'm writing this in this diary, and it's like very good to be back, but also quite emotional as well. Because as I look through everything that I have been written and I have been through, and that I have overcome it like this, I realized how much I have grown in all this time. From the last year, I have been quite very distant and not myself a lot. And I guess that was just me trying to keep myself together after overcoming such big things from my life. And now it's quite, I don't know how to convey this, it's quite a lot. I don't even know why I stopped writing in the first place. Like, I literally don't know why I stopped writing. And since the time I have stopped writing, it's like my mind have stopped working the way it used to do as well. And I noticed it recently as well. As soon as I picked up my pen again and thought to write anything, just anything, whatever is happening in my life currently, it was like a gate that had been closed for such a long time had been opened again. And suddenly i I felt things that I used to feel, but not in the bad way, in good ways. Like it was like meeting an old friend after a very long time, and yet the feelings that you feel are still the same after seeing them. It was that kind of moment for me. I didn't wrote anything important or stuff like that. I just wrote what I felt about little things I did, a little achievement I got, that I got my hair cut, and I am trying to be more active on YouTube, even though I get disappear for like literally days. But yeah, that is also part of growing. That is also part of something. So it was really, really, really a big step for me to start writing again. And even though I'm not writing daily like I used to, but I'm writing within 2 to 3 days gap about everything. I am starting to feel more like on time. I am starting to feel that I am getting more punctual now, that I am getting back on the track which I have left long ago. It was also that one of the reasons maybe that I stopped writing was that I started depending upon my phone a lot in the past year. After my exams were done, after giving exam continuously, each one after another, I was so tired of books, of writing stuff down, that I didn't even realize that I stopped writing to my diary as well when I kept all of those things away. And it was a bad thing for me because it was the only thing keeping me sane at a time. So when I start writing it again, when I start writing down things again in it, I started feeling inspired again, inspired to do things that I actually enjoy. I and this is the thing, like when I when I wrote something in it again after such a long time, I realized that I have kept a lot of my hobbies aside and haven't touched it from such a long time. So I picked up those hobbies again as well, and now I feel more productive than I ever felt in the past few months. I feel genuinely happy, more calm, more of myself, and most importantly, I felt like I have my safe place now, a place where I could be just myself and I don't have to act a certain way. I don't have to pretend to like people or I have to pretend to please them. It was that version of me that I was missing from such a long time. And I am truly, truly, truly glad to be back to that version of me. And I am going to write in here today as well. I have like a pen. This is a black leather diary. It's kind of leatherish, but yeah, it's like very soft and have bubbly texture kind of. I kept a pen in here where we can stack it, and the edges are black and white lines like this, and I'll show you the inside. I am not showing you what I have written because it's my deepest, darkest secret. Not even darkest, but deepest secrets kind of stuff. Here is the pages. The pages are obviously ruler pages, and the pages are smooth as well. I kind of did a lot of thing here. I even started writing at midnight again. That is my thing. Like I have written a lot of things here from pages to pages. There was a time that I stopped filling pages, and now that I'm starting writing again, I am filling a lot of pages. But still, I'm getting back to the track, guys. Don't worry. And I have been writing a lot in here, and I'm happy. I am happy. I even sticked a picture of this photo of mine, which I took on the New Year's Eve. Here, this picture. I started writing in my diary on April 8th, and the last I have written in here was on 13th of August 2025. Oh boy, not bad. Like I stopped writing in August, but I started it in May. This diary I started in May after my old one was over. So yeah. Now I am not writing every day like I used to do, just like I said, but I have started again slowly and honestly without any pressure. And I think that's what matters the most, because having this is like having myself back. So it's a lot and a lot, but also because sometimes realizing isn't about becoming who you were before. It was about like meeting yourself again as you are now, and maybe that version of you had even more to say, because you grow up as time pass, and I have grown a lot since last year. I have think I At least I don't know about others, what others think, I can't tell that, but I think I have been a more happy version of myself from the start of 2026, and I want to be that way. I want to be a happy version of me in 2026. I want to achieve many things. I want to try my best with the things that I love, to do stuff that I have not done before, to try new stuff. And it is starting. It is starting, and I am really, really happy to be back to just share this moment with you guys. So yeah, and that's it for this Chotu Sa Mini Sa video. I hope you guys also pick up a diary and a pen when your thoughts are too loud and everything around you feel unsafe for you. Just write everything down. Just write. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just It doesn't have to be perfect. That is the thing. You don't have to keep it perfect in line or make it look aesthetic. Just write everything down. Make it messy. The messier you write, the easier it gets for you to feel. That's what I think. The messier you write, cut it down, light, write in the lines. Don't write in the lines or anything. Just be you. Don't make it look aesthetic. Never make it look aesthetic when you are writing your own feelings down, because feelings doesn't uh, your feelings aren't aesthetic, they are real. So do it that way and you'll feel good after doing that. So that's it. Hope you to see in the next video of me yapping about myself and the things I do. Bye.